What's up, guys? 2013 Dodge Dart. We have a bad horn. Customer went and got a horn. This is the high pitch of the horn. So Mopar original part number right there. Anyways, they discontinued the low horn, but this is what it sounds like. Okay, so the horn is located right down here. The whole thing has to come out. You can see it from back over here. So we're gonna take off this cover over here, then we're gonna work a little bit on the bumper. We're gonna get in there, okay? So it's not gonna be fun and easy, but we'll get in there. Anyways, gonna remove this, all this, get this whole cover off, take off the 210 millimeters and 210 millimeters, and we'll see where we are after that. We'll take this guy out of here. We'll remove this little guy. These are all the clips, okay? And half of it will probably stay behind just like that. We'll get this guy out. Each one is like angled differently. Okay, I had a customer show up, but we're gonna keep it moving. Let's just get all these out. 1, 2, 3. Come on out of there. 4, 5. Half of the part is still in there. We got one more over here. Okay, now this cover should just like that come off and go to the side. But notice the horn is down here. We haven't had access to it. Customer did told me to cut all this, but I don't want to do that. I want to see how much I can get off and how much I can work without damaging anything. So I am gonna be this cover in the bottom is this whole thing over here. So I'm gonna be taking off all this, see if I can slip this off. If not, then we're gonna do what he told me to do, cut it off. But I have no instructions on this. Zero freaking instructions whatsoever. All right, get this clip off, get this clip off, get that, then we'll do the 10 millimeters together. 10 millimeters off, and let's see where we stand at after that. I don't know why they made this so complicated. I forgot that clip right there. And these bolts are so long, you can freaking hold the whole engine block with that. They must be holding on to something down underneath, but let's see what I can do here. I doubt this is gonna come out. There's another cover underneath that. So this is part of the freaking grill down there. So we're gonna splice this off. Take this guy off. What's going on here? This is what the customer wants. The actual job is supposed to be the whole bumper has to come out. So once we get this cover off, you're gonna come across this stupid guy right there. So pretty much didn't do much for me there. And that's a 10 millimeter right over here, which holds that freaking horn together. And I should be kind of able to push that horn this way and work on it, okay? So That was really stupid of them to do. And then you got this cable for the trunk, a hood latch on the way. And there it is. This guy can simply just fold down there. You see that? Should be able to disconnect all that and connect the new one on. Let me open the box here. So this is what we got inside the box. Just don't mix and match those cables. So whatever you take off, like you see the yellow one, there's yellow and black cable on it. You know what? Let's go down there. Just show you guys what I'm looking at. That's what dropped from up here. Okay. So the yellow one, I don't know if that's yellow or white in it. That one goes there. The other one goes there. So make sure you plug them where they belong. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clip them off and get the new one on. So there's our old horn and here's our new horn. This is what this baby look like. Original stuff here. So I'm gonna plug everything back and then I'll route this thing back in the same spot, and yeah, it was in some type of way. Okay, so we got that in, but really I just wanted to let you guys know this has 2 horns. So I think the part number he got was for that one, but he told me to replace that one because that's what we diagnosed it for him. And now we have horn. Anyways guys, I'm gonna put everything back together. Clips going in, 10mm goes in. That's how easy it is. A lot of people make it look hard. It's the same thing for the opposite side. 10mm is probably, you know what, don't even cut this thing because you can see the 10mm right there. Okay, the 10mm is right there. Pull it forward, remove that, let it drop, and you can fish the whole thing from right there. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you guys on the next one.